Well guys, the S2000 is in the shop again, but this time we're getting the top replaced, and it's another Robbins Auto top. So if I had this Robbins Auto top since 2019, 2018, it's been fantastic, and suddenly the glass window fell off. The great thing about these tops is like they're probably the best ones you can get for the S2000. The fast cloth one is very nice. It always looks like it's brand new. Well, this is the brand new one, but the good thing about them is the quality is super good. I prefer the Robbins top over the OEM just because the quality is better, they fit really well, and they're cheaper too. Really accessible, easy to order, easy to ship. I mean, this thing shipped out of California, I got it pretty much the next day. The crazy thing is they have really good warranty on them, and I think it's like 5-year warranty, but the crazier thing is when I got this in 2018, there was a lifetime warranty. And the guys at Robbins Top, Doug is the owner, he's amazing because I called him up and he says, yeah, when did you buy it? And we went through the whole story, and long story short, when he realized I got it back in 2018, he made me look for the receipt. Long story short, I got the receipt, and he sent over a brand new one, and I'm like, what am I supposed to do with this? How do I install it? And that's where this guy comes in the picture. This is Rick from Rick Upholstery. He's local in the Bay Area. That's his sign right there. I love his shop. He does like seats, leather, upholstery, interior, all the stuff, especially tops. And the S2000 tops are actually notoriously difficult and very limited space. I'm glad to find somebody that has experience doing it, because you definitely do not want to take it to a shop that has never worked on this or worked on one every year or something, because there's a lot of parts that come off. They gotta make sure they know how to fit everything. It's a very tight pull, tight stretch, and it's just a very difficult process. I mean, there are guys on the forums that do DIY, and credit to them, but it's very hard. Not fun, and you wanna find someone that does a really good job and someone that has done it so many times so that they know exactly what to do, because there's just so much going on. It's just crazy. You just have to be able to do this enough so that you just muscle memory it. So anyway, the S2000 is getting a top replaced. Decided to have the soft top again because that keeps the original value of the car. And if I wanted a hard top, I can put a hard top, but it's always nice to have the soft top. So even if you have the hard top and you want to go for a top-down cruise, you can put the hard top in your garage and then not get stranded in the rain. You always have the soft top that comes up. And that's the best part about the S2000 is that soft top experience. And as you guys all know, it's designed as from the bottom up as a convertible. So it has a really good frame and structure. So it's super rigid, whether the top is down or up, because this doesn't add any rigidity. So that's what makes the S2000 so nice, so nimble, so fun to drive. It is a very unique characteristic of the S2000, and we're preserving the experience with the top from Robbins Top and with the help of Rick. So anyway, this is the installation so far. I'll let you guys know how it goes, but I'm super excited. I found somebody in my local neighborhood that is an expert. So if you guys are in the Bay Area, that's Rick. That's his sign right there. That's his number. He's in the San Leandro area. He's pretty busy and booked up, but reach out to him. He'll give you a good price, and he'll give you a schedule that will work for you. And hopefully, if you have a top that needs replacement, you get a chance to work with this guy because he's great. Anyway, guys, let me know if you have any questions. We're out. Vibe on, out.